Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to register in Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to register in your Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app itself. So once you open your Shein app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the me icon and then tap on the settings option as well. So once you tap on the settings, you need to now tap on the sign in and register option. There you will end up in this page, to simply tap on register or sign in with another account. Simply type in the mobile number or email address and hit the continue button. After doing this, you need to now create a password for your account, and after you create it, you need to hit the privacy policy and hit the sign in button. After this step is completed, you can simply add your phone number or simply skip it, and after this is also done, you will now be successfully signed up or registered in Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.